You're broke, you're a student, and your bank account is screaming louder than your alarm clock at 6 a.m. In this video, I want to show you how real students are making real money with this secret weapon called Whop. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to drive you through. Just follow along. Let's get started. All right, guys. So all you need to do is just create an account on Whop. You know, it's very easy. It just takes a few minutes. All right, guys. So you can also do this on your phone. So you can just go to App Store or Play Store, whichever the case, and you can just search Whop right here. And yeah, as you can see right here, you'll find it right here. So yeah, you just download it. As for me, I've already downloaded it. So yeah, as you can see right here, so I can just open like this and stuff like that. So yeah, download it and yeah, you're good to go. Appreciate you. Just to explain briefly what Whop is, you know, Whop is like a marketplace where people go there to create communities, you know, to create a lot of stuff, to sell digital products and something like that. And, you know, they also offer like affiliate programs and stuff like that. And today I'm going to be focusing on content rewards, as you can see right here. So content rewards is basically these big or small creators. They set up a certain budget for people like their fans or anyone to clip their content. And once they clip their content, they pay them per 1,000 views. And this is the system that made Andrew Tate famous. So as you can see right here, these people are paying like $2 per 1,000 views. These guys are paying like $1 per 1,000 views. And if I go, like, if I click on show all, you know, you can see there's a lot of creators that are paying people right now just to clip their content, just to recreate their content and post them on their own platforms and get views, right? Once you find something that fits you, like let's say, for example, this guy right here, you just click on this guy right here and you just click on join, and it just takes like a few minutes. And yeah, as you can see, so as you can see right here, we have joined. So it shows right here courses. So make sure once you join, if they have like a segment where it says like courses, you need to click on courses for you to understand like everything, basically like everything, right? And you can see right here the chat, the announcements, the bounties. These are like extra stuff. Like if you post for 30 days straight, you earn like $300. So what you basically do, you just click on content rewards right here. You click right there and you can see right here. So as you can see right here, requirements, you know, something like that. And you can see assets. It's like the links to these guys' videos right here. So what you do is just click and download a few videos and you create them and post them on your platform. Like not like your platform, but you can create like a fan page or something like that, and you just recreate and make them trend. And once you make them trend, you know, you get paid $1 per 1,000 views. So this is easy, like for Instagram Reels, for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts. It's very easy to trend. So you can do the math right there. Like if you get 100,000 views, you know how much you're getting. If you get 20,000 views, if you get 1,000,000 views, you know how much you're getting. All you need is to warm up your fan page accounts. Once you warm them up, you start posting and you're posting and posting. Once you create the videos, you just have to click on submit right here, and you just paste your link right here. Once you upload it, just at the moment. Once you're done uploading, copy the link and paste it right here. And when you paste it right here, you also upload the original media right here, and you submit, and they'll approve you, and you start getting paid. Yeah, that's basically it. So try this out, guys. It's very easy, and the content is just easy. As you can see right here is a video that some guy submitted. You know, as you can see, it's just simple. He just downloaded the video of this guy, you know, doing all this stuff right there, and he just added some text right there, like auto text. You can do that in CapCut, and he has submitted, and now he's earning money with this guy. So you can select like 10 creators and you can edit the content like every single day. Maybe it can just take you like 1 hour. Once you're done editing, you continue your stuff and you start getting them alerts like money coming in, money coming in, money coming in. Then yeah, you stop being broke. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. I'm going to be dropping a lot of content on how to make money online. So if you have any question, please comment, leave it in the comment, and I'll be able to reply. If it's something that you want me to make a video about it, I'll make a video about it. And I just want to help all the students and everybody out there to make money just like me. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, peace out, guys. We out.